How to make a new board on monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. The steps are very easy and simple, so let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your monday.com store. Now once you are in, if you have any previous board, you have to click on it and go on its three bars and go on the delete. Now here you have to go on the add button and click on the new board. Here you have to add the board name. Or you can also change the privacy if you want to keep your board private or shareable. You can also manage this board with budgets, leads or tasks. Now you have to click on the create board and your board has been created. So this is how you can make a new board on monday.com.